What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, folks, I wanted to talk with you guys a little bit about why crypto is down today, what we can expect here in the near future, and what exactly happens to send Ethereum all the way down to $1,700 and a lot of other coins I'm sure you guys have been following down in the dumps today as well. So if you guys are new, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I post crypto videos every single day, guys, including Shiba Inu, Terra Luna, ApeCoin, all that good stuff, and some general market updates like today. So that being said, let's get right into it, folks. So the main thing that we are seeing, if we take a look at all of the data we are being given today, is a very sharp drop in all of the major assets, including the stock market as well. But Bitcoin and Ethereum here down 8.9% for Bitcoin, and Ethereum down 9.5%. Now, this is the majority of the week's losses here, putting the week's losses a little over 11%. Now, mind you, this is still compared to the past month or so, pretty dang good progress. And you guys can see just exactly how bad we were sitting if you even zoom out further to the 3-month trajectory, where Ethereum here was a little over $900 back in June. Right now, it is sitting around double that. And then same thing, of course, even for Bitcoin. If we take a look past the 3 months, our lowest for Bitcoin was right around 18,000 at the very lowest. So still some significant improvement here for Bitcoin as well. Now, why is this happening? What is the reason behind such a terrible crash like this? Well, I'll tell you. So basically, the reason why the entire market has taken a nosedive today is because there is uncertainty about how the Federal Reserve will be affecting interest rates. So there was recently a discussion here, of course, where basically the St. Louis Fed President James Bullard on Thursday said he favored a 3/4 point hike at the Fed's next meeting in September, and the Kansas City Fed President Esther George, however, said the case for continuing to raise rates remains strong, but added debate over how fast that has to happen. So basically, if you guys do not follow this, if you don't live in the United States, that's fine. Basically, whenever rates go up, assets obviously tends to take a bit of a beating, given the fact people don't know how the dollar is going to respond. And obviously, people sometimes tend to want to move towards cash and just holding cash as opposed to assets like this. So that's definitely the major reason we saw a dip like this today. But again, that did send Solana down to around $37, which is probably the most disappointing, at least in my view today, as again, over the past 3 months, I feel like Solana was really gearing up to reach around 50. You guys can see the levels of support for Solana keep moving from right around $27 up to 30, up to 33, up to 35. Very gradual growth, and unfortunately, we are sort of being forced into receiving some kind of pullback today, obviously sending us down to around 37. But regardless, definitely have seen worse days in the crypto market in the past. But guys, before we go any further, guys, I have to talk to you guys about my Patreon, guys. The link is down below in the description. If you guys would like access to every single time I buy or sell an NFT whitelist access on my Discord, of course, Matt's crypto newsletter, my audio weekly NFT and crypto report, crypto trade signals, you guys know every single time I buy or sell a crypto, direct access to me over DM, and free altcoin checklists that I've created for you guys to start your altcoin trading. So all of that is on the Patreon down below, guys. I really do think it is a good deal right now, and I have leveled off a lot of the rewards. So the silver reward is giving you most of the same rewards that gold, emerald, and all the other ones are getting. So definitely try to level the playing field here, as kind of the bear market has been rough for a lot of people. So I do want to be giving you guys all the tools you can use to help yourself grow as a crypto trader and an NFT trader. So all that is linked down below in the description on the Patreon. So anyways, folks, the question of the matter here really is, how do we recover from some kind of recession like this? How do we recover from watching all of our favorite assets head down? Well, really the main thing obviously is going to be seeing some level of interest rate decline. And obviously, whenever rates are raised, people tend to just kind of flock towards cash and don't want to hold on to assets like this. So that's obviously going to be the main one. I definitely do think the Ethereum merge is obviously going to be very big. And obviously, some people here on CoinMarketCap are not believing it. Someone here saying it's a letdown, yada yada, Ethereum bearish. But I think people maybe are being a little rough on it, considering this drop today is really not at the fault of Ethereum, but rather is, again, at the fault of the general market and, government regulation and all of that. So Ethereum right now at 1,700 ultimately is not particularly bad, but also not particularly good. And again, if we look at the 3-month trajectory here, it was due for some pullback, guys. Let's be honest. We come from right around 1,100, 1,000, all the way up to over 2,000 in the matter of around a month. So some pullback is going to be expected. What I really don't want to see is any drop below 14 or 1,500, as that is really one of the major points of support that we've held for all this time. And you guys will note that all the way through late July, we basically are bouncing off the 1,500 mark. Same thing here in early August. We're bouncing off the 1,500 or so mark. So I definitely don't want to see us dropping much below 1,500, as that puts us again kind of in a dangerous range. So that being said, folks, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. More crypto videos come out every single day. Thank you guys so much. As always, drop a comment down below where you see Ethereum and all the major cryptos, of course, headed in the near future. My name is Matt. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.